How you can withdraw money from Keeper. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Keeper, and then you just need to make sure that you have selected your right wallet. Once you are in, as you can see, we have no option to withdraw our money into our bank account. Now, technically, you cannot withdraw directly into your bank account, but you can simply sell it coin directly onto your bank as well. So if I click on buy and sell option and go for the sell option on the top and click on the show all. Now by default this is going to only be able to sell Ton. If you have USDT, make sure to swap to Ton coin, and then you will have two options: sell Ton to bank card instantly or sell with withdrawal to a credit card. Now most of you will gonna go for the bank card, so click on Avan change and then click on open Avan change. Now after clicking on it, this is going to bring up a new window. Now if you don't have a sufficient balance, this is going to show something like this, but you just need to click on the continue option and you need to simply enter the amount how much you want. You're just gonna need to enter the details of the card in which you want to receive the money. The other method is you can send your particular coin into some third-party crypto exchange like Binance or Bybit, and from there you can go with the P2P exchange. And the method most of you might know, you just need to sell it directly into your bank account after swapping to USDT or Bitcoin or any other coin that is available. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw money from Keeper.